Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to remove the background from a video in CapCut application in 2025. This is perfect for making clean edits, green screen effects or professional looking clips. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to launch your CapCut mobile application just like so on your phone. Then you will see the new project option here on this page. So tap on the new project option and import the video which you want to add it. For example, let's say this is the video that I want to add it. So I've added it in my timeline. You need to tap on the video so that you could get all of the editing options here in the bottom. Now as you can see, we have a bunch of different options here in the bottom like split, speed, animation, effects, delete, etc. So you need to swipe to the right and in this list try to find the option of remove background. So as you can see, we have the option of remove background. So you need to tap on this option. Then you can select whether you want to auto remove it or you want to remove some custom part from the video, or if the video has an effect or a green screen, you can select the chroma key option. So first I'm going to be tapping on the auto removal option. Then as you can see over here, it has removed some of the part from the video. My video had no background, so that's why it has removed whatever it's find. So if you want to use this, you can check this box here in the top right hand corner of the screen, or you can also customize the cutout. So whichever the cutout is here, you can use this brush icon in order to tap on the brush icon so that it could only remove that particular part. Now tap on this checkmark icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen, and this way you can basically remove the background in your CapCut application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.